So we are here with,
Leslee McGrady.
okay, and how long have you been a patient at Quality Care?
A little over 4 years.
Okay, and then what brought you in originally? What did you come in for?
I had migraine issues along with lower back and middle back issues and some plantar fasciitis in my foot.
Okay, and then what were the results with that? What was the treatment like? How did it go?
On my foot, I had Graston done along with like adjusting and manipulating of my foot, and that's totally healed. It's no pain at all. My back, it's always going to be a little messed up, but it's better than it was. And my neck issues are pretty much gone. I had to have surgery actually, but getting the adjustments with it did help.
Okay, and you have another condition, underlying condition?
I have fibromyalgia, really
Okay.
severely bad, and since chiropractic I've been coming, it's manageable.
Okay.
It's not like it used to be.
And so some people get concerned about the adjustments and their comfort level. So even with fibromyalgia, are the adjustments comfortable?
Yes.
Okay.
Dr. Rick is very gentle. If I tell him it's a little too much, he'll lighten up, and it's very easy to have it done. I mean, it's not pain at all.
And then how is it after each adjustment? Does it seem to help?
Yes.
Okay.
I actually have a lot of relief after it, where I come in and this area's hurting or that area, and after the adjustment, it's pretty much gone.
Okay. And then what would you tell anyone that's considering chiropractic care and hasn't come yet, or somebody that has fibromyalgia or chronic pain and is concerned about it?
I would say definitely go for chiropractic care and at least try it. But it does help, even though there's like ifs and do's and don'ts about it. It does help, and it's worth every penny and worth every bit of going in and getting adjusted.
Okay, great. Thank you.